If you're someone who deals with extreme hair loss and damaged hair, then this video is for you. I'm not someone who was genetically gifted with thick and healthy hair, so if I could take my damaged hair from this to this, you can as well. My intention is that by the end of this video you will know how to take care of your damaged hair, and I'll be giving you all my best tips that I have learned in the past few years, and I'll be giving you all my affordable product recommendations as well as high-end products that I also enjoy using in my hair care routine. And this year we're going to transform your hair. 2024 is going to be the year that we all have amazing, luscious, healthy, thick hair. Remember, just like with skincare, even with hair care, consistency is key. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I would be happy to answer them. Now, the first thing we're going to do, which is the most basic part about hair care, is figure out the right products for your hair type. Now, I have spoken about this before as well, but I'm going to bring it up again because I see so many people making this same mistake. And if we can figure out the right products for our hair, it'll be so much easier to take care of your hair. Trust me. We know that everyone's hair is different and one product won't be suitable for every hair type. So how do we figure out what type of product you need to use if you have dry and damaged hair? So if you have extremely dry and damaged hair and it's really frizzy, it's hard to handle, then products with sulfates are not for you. Now, sulfates are not a bad ingredient. They are usually added to your hair care products to act as surfactants, and sulfates are what help your hair care products lather up and they help to cleanse your scalp. But if you have dry scalp, dry hair, your hair is extremely damaged, what can happen if you use products with sulfates is that it will strip out all the natural oils from your hair and scalp, and this will obviously lead to more damaged and dry hair. So what products exactly can you use for damaged and dry hair? We need more gentle products which are free from sulfates and parabens. In 2023, I have tested out a lot of hair care products and these are my absolute favorites for damaged hair. The first product that I absolutely fell in love with is the Wow Skin Science Red Onion and Black Seed Oil Shampoo. This one is amazing for damaged hair because it has so many moisturizing and hydrating ingredients and it does not have any sulfates and parabens. So if you're looking for an affordable option that is very gentle on your hair, this is amazing. Go for this one. Shea Moisture is another brand which has so many amazing products for damaged hair. I have talked about their moisture retention shampoo and conditioner before. When my hair feels really dry and I feel like my hair needs more hydration and more care, I usually go for this duo. Their shampoos and conditioners are amazing for fine and damaged hair. Another product that I love from Shea Moisture is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. So if you have dry and damaged hair, give these products a try. I swear your hair will love them. I only recommend products that I have tried and loved, so you can trust me on that. Now, on the other hand, if you have very oily scalp but dry ends, using shampoos with sulfates will be beneficial for your hair. My hair has been on both sides of the spectrum. I have had very dry scalp and damaged hair, and I've also had very oily scalp and dry ends back when I was doing my degree in India. The 3 years that I was there, my hair used to get oily so quick, and that's mainly because of the humidity in the environment, but my ends used to be extremely dry. And if you also deal with the same situation, I would recommend you try the L'Oreal Dream Length shampoo. This is one of my favorite drugstore shampoos. This shampoo did not dry out my ends. At the same time, it was able to get rid of all the excess oil from my hair, and it can help prevent your hair from getting greasy very quick. So from now on, rather than blindly buying products, try to understand what your hair type is and use products accordingly. And if you're as obsessed with skincare and hair care like me, make sure to subscribe so that we can all glow up this year, because I'll be sharing all my favorite tips, everything that I've learned in the past few years. I'll be sharing them every single week, so make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can know every time I upload a video. Now, the next mistake I see a lot of people make is treating your hair and scalp the same. It's not. Your scalp is alive, but your hair is not. So treating it the same will not give you the results that you want. If you want to address the root cause of your hair problems like hair loss or hair thinning, you need to take care of your scalp, because only when you have a healthy scalp will you have healthy hair. So if you want to use any hair growth serums or hair oils to promote your hair growth, what you need to do is focus on the scalp. One hair oil that's quite popular for hair loss and hair thinning is rosemary oil. If you're using using rosemary oil, if you want to see results, you have to stay consistent with it. You have to oil your scalp with rosemary oil once or twice a week so that you can actually see an increase in the hair growth. If you're extra like me and if you want to take your hair care to the next level, what you can do is use a scalp scrub to exfoliate the scalp. Now, scalp is just like your skin, just like how we exfoliate the skin so that the product can absorb better and so that you can get all the benefits of the products you're using. You can also exfoliate your scalp to maintain healthy hair, because this can help get rid of all that buildup and then the products can absorb into your scalp much better. And when you shampoo your hair, always focus the shampoo on the scalp. Your scalp is what needs to be cleansed. It's not your hair. It's from your scalp that you have to get rid of all that buildup. The next tip is specifically for my people with frizzy and dry hair, and that is pre-shampoo treatments. Like the name says, pre-shampoo treatments is what you apply on your hair before you go and shampoo your hair. So this can be in the form of an oil or a mask. I usually apply oils on my hair, so I like to use a mix of both sesame oil and coconut oil that my mother makes. You can also use argan oil, you can use jojoba oil, rosemary oil like I mentioned before. Hair oils are so important for taking care of your hair, because when you apply it on your scalp, it can help promote hair growth and hair strength, and when you apply it on the ends of your hair, it can provide that extra moisture and hydration that your hair desperately needs. The right way to use hair oils is to apply 1 to 2 palmfuls of oil onto your scalp. Now this can be warmed up a little bit so that it can absorb better into your scalp, but don't make it too hot. Don't make that mistake. You can harm your scalp and the roots of your hair, so make it a little bit warm to the touch and apply that to your hair. Before applying your hair oil and after, if you massage your scalp for a few minutes, this can really help with hair growth. The rest of the hair oil I apply on the ends of my hair, and I let this sit for 1 to 2 hours maximum. And when you shampoo your hair, to rinse out all the oils from your hair, make sure you shampoo at least twice, especially if you have oily scalp, to get rid of any of that excess oil that might remain on your scalp. Because if you don't get rid of all that oils from your scalp, it can also lead to other issues, so make sure you rinse it out properly. Now the next tip I'm going to give you is so crucial. No matter what hair type you have, if you have oily scalp, dry scalp, whatever it is, if you have damaged hair, you need to use hair masks and hair conditioners in your routine. It's not like if you have oily scalp you shouldn't be using conditioners. You absolutely need to use conditioners in your hair routine, and if you're not using conditioners and hair masks, it's probably why you're not seeing any results and your hair is still damaged. I found that using both a hair mask and a conditioner was much more effective for my dry ends rather than using them separately. So how I use both a hair mask and hair conditioner in my routine is, after I shampoo my hair, I apply hair mask, let it sit for a few minutes so that my hair can absorb all that moisture. I rinse that out, and then I apply a conditioner so that it can seal in all that moisture, and then I rinse it out. So a hair mask is helpful in moisturizing and hydrating your hair, and a conditioner will help seal in all that moisture. The two conditioners that I absolutely love is the Coco and Eve Super Hydrating Cream Conditioner and the Wow Skin Science Red Onion and Black Seed Oil Conditioner. The Wow Skin Science conditioner is so lightweight yet very creamy and hydrating, so it'll be amazing if you have fine and damaged hair. There's no way it will weigh down your hair, and it'll give you that glossy shiny finish. The Coco and Eve conditioner on the other hand is more thicker and creamy, and I think this conditioner is more suitable for all hair types. I have fine hair. It did not weigh down my hair. It made my hair really soft and shiny, so this is more suitable for all hair types. But the Coco and Eve conditioner is kind of pricey, so if you want to be extra and splurge on your hair care routine, I would definitely recommend this. It's amazing. Another mistake I see so many people make is not following up with good post-shower hair care products after washing your hair. Even I used to make the same mistake when I knew nothing about hair care, so I'm here to tell you, after you wash your hair, you need to hydrate and seal in all that moisture. So after you're done with the whole hair routine in the shower, when your hair is damp, take a white tooth comb and detangle your hair. Don't use a brush when your hair is wet or damp, because at this state your hair is very fragile, and if you brush out your hair, it can lead to breakage. So detangle your hair with a white tooth comb and apply a good hair serum or leave-in conditioner on the ends of your hair so that you can prevent any frizziness and dryness. If you really want that glossy and shiny look after your hair routine, then you definitely need to try hair serums. I'll make sure to link my favorite lightweight hair serums that are suitable for all hair types and a leave-in conditioner that I'm currently using in the description. A question I always always get is whether you should air dry your hair or blow dry your hair, and this is my opinion. So if you have extremely long hair and it takes your hair a lot of time to dry, it's always best to blow dry your hair at a very low heat setting, and you can also use a heat protection spray to protect your hair from any heat damage. But if you feel like air drying your hair is better for your hair, definitely go for air drying. The thing with hair care and skincare is that you should just listen to what your skin and your hair needs. If you feel like air drying is more suitable for your hair, go for that. But if you feel like your hair looks and feels much more healthier and better when you blow dry your hair, then blow dry your hair. But just make sure that you take all the precautions that I mentioned so that you can prevent any heat damage. Now for me personally, now that I have longer hair, I found that blow drying my hair is much more convenient and easier, so I just go for that. I recently perfected my blowout routine, so if you're curious to know what I use and how I do it, I'll make sure to link the video above. Now the last few tips I would like to give you is be gentle with your hair. Eat a lot of healthy fats and proteins to have healthier and stronger hair, and most importantly, learn how to manage your stress. Okay, stress is a major cause of hair loss. Don't let anything or anyone be the reason for your hair loss. Nobody's worth it, okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like down below. It helps me so much more than you know. Make sure to subscribe so that you can see more videos like this. I am so grateful for you. Thank you for being here. Take care of your health, take care of your skin, take care of your hair, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.